Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Sandy if you're new, and I wanted to do a final flip through of this cute little journal. It is sold, so I wanted to do a little flip through before I send it off to its new owner. I just have this cute little tie. Love this little fabric. So I added some rickrack to the front and the back, and then there is the spine. And then I added the rickrack on the inside as well. And so we have this cute little tag that we made on the last video. And we have this cute little pocket right here. Oops. There we go. And then this little tag. And then we have this fun little wraparound pocket. So we made it a flip open, and there's a pocket in there, and I just put this little clip down here, and then we have this pocket up here, and we still have this pocket on this side. I love these shorter pages. Some pretty green dyed paper, so there's lots of room to still do some additional decorating. Cute little tag here, and I went ahead and just included this folio so that the new owner can decorate that however they want. And I've included some little policy closure circles if they want to use those. So super cute. And then this is just in here for shipping to keep the spine from smushing down. And then I added this cute little crochet piece onto this page. And then these cute little dogs. Yeah, this is going to be so much fun to play in. I almost contemplated keeping it for myself, but the viewer who requested it was really excited about it. So it's fun to get these journals out into the world. And then I added this belly band as well. So this has this fun little belly band right here. So yeah, so lots of room to decorate and to journal in. So I'm really excited for the new owner. And then I've also included just a pack of all kinds of fun little things in this glassine bag. Some yo-yos and fabric and just a whole bunch of fun little things that, and some more paper and things like that, that they can use to decorate this journal. So I'm really pleased with how this came out, and I probably am going to keep making more of these because I love them. They're just so fun. All right, guys, I know this was a super short video, but I always like to do a flip through of the journals that I sell. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.